Hello friends. Today I was planning to go outside to film a video, but the weather is cloudy and I think it's going to rain. So I decided to stay home and show you my balcony instead. In this video, we're going to learn the following words using the comprehensible input method. Slipper, rug, stool, cushion, railing, tile, square, broom, glass, tap, drying rack, fireplace, basket, clothespin, cleaning cloth, cloudy, view, lot, pine, bucket, camping chair, corner, rooftop, fold, roll, wheel, and satellite dish. At the entrance of the balcony, I always keep a pair of slippers. Sometimes the balcony gets dirty, and using slippers is a pretty reasonable choice. A pair of slippers. Here, there is a long rug. I left it this way so it doesn't get wet when it rains. This is a rug. It's quite soft, but a little old. Still, it does the job. Look, this part of the rug is already a bit wet. You can see how its color gets darker when it's wet. And this is a plastic stool. Stool. Usually, no one uses it, but it just stays here. I usually sit on this cushion, a big green cushion. I'm touching the cushion, pressing on it. It's very soft, quite comfortable. Cushion. Let's look over here a bit. Oh no, I forgot to fix the edge of the rug. Anyway. This is a long balcony, and this is the balcony railing. The railing is made of metal, silver-colored. Yes, this is definitely a railing. I really like the patterns on the tiles on the floor. Yes, these are tiles. Tiles are usually square-shaped. Square. On this side of the balcony, there's a broom. It's a bit old, but I still use it to sweep the balcony. Broom. These kinds of brooms used to be very common, but now they aren't used much anymore. Now it's time to stand up. This is the large window of my living room. It's made of thick glass and very solid. Glass. And here on the wall, there is a tap. Yes, this is a tap. A small metal water tap. I can get water from here to wash the balcony. And this is a valve. If I turn it, water starts to flow. Anyway, let's continue. Let's look at the laundry drying rack. It's black with some purple parts. It's folded up right now. I hang my wet clothes here to dry. Drying rack. In this corner of the balcony, there is an old fireplace. I've never used it. Fireplace. What's inside it? A gray basket. Wow. A lot of clothespins. They're very colorful. Red, white, blue, yellow. I use these clothespins to hang my laundry. And this is a yellow cleaning cloth. Cleaning cloth. I usually use it to wipe the dust off the fireplace. It's quite soft. This wall is covered with insulation materials, and it keeps the house pretty warm. Do you think it's going to rain today? The weather is cloudy. Cloudy. Those dark clouds might be a sign of rain. Look over there, on top of the street lamp. What's that? A bird? A black bird. The bird is sitting on top of the street lamp. It might be a crow, but I'm not sure. This is the view from my home. Trees, birds, cars. Look, here is a large, vacant lot. Yes, this is a vacant lot. This lot is completely empty, and usually children play here. Lot. I really love this pine tree. It looks amazing. Pine tree. In this corner, there's a red bucket. What's inside the bucket? Let's see. Folding chairs, camping chairs. I'm taking one out. This one is blue. Now I'm opening the chair. Look, this is a camping chair. It even has a place to put a drink. Now I'm folding the chair again and putting it back into the red bucket. The chairs stay in the corner of the balcony. Corner. On the rooftops of these houses, there are usually birds, but today, there are none. I think they can sense that it's going to rain. Maybe today is a sit-on-the-lamppost kind of day. It might rain any minute. So I need to tidy up the balcony. I'm lifting the cushion. I should also pick up this long rug so it doesn't get wet. I'm folding the rug. Fold. I folded the rug. Now I'm rolling the rug up. Roll. After rolling it all the way, I pick it up and put it in the corner. Just like that. Let's look down at the street. I see a car. Look, these are the car's wheels. Wheel. Soon, all these cars will get wet. Oh, look! The street lamp again. Now there are two birds. Two birds are sitting on top of the street lamp. They look very comfortable. I don't want to disturb them too much. This is my neighborhood. There are houses, apartment buildings, and lots of trees. Look, there are many satellite dishes on the rooftops across the street. Yes, these are satellite dishes. These satellite dishes receive signals from satellites. Thanks to them, we can watch television. We've come to the end of our video. Don't forget to review the words you've learned. New videos are coming soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.